Hi guys, so today we're going to be learning blind contour drawings. So basically what that is drawing something without looking at your paper. And it's a technique artists use to kind of loosen up their drawing or make something a little bit different than what you would normally see. I've got a picture in front of me with my sister, and I'm just going to look at the picture and I'm not going to look at what I'm drawing. And it's just really cool abstract look you kind of get. So I'm going to show you kind of what that looks like. You can do this with people, animals, plants, your house, your room, anything you want. I mean, it does look better with something like an organic animal that has details. You can just use a Sharpie or any kind of pen or pencil. And that's okay. So then I looked at it for the first time, and it doesn't really look like, how you would normally draw a portrait, but that's the point. It looks more different than what you would normally see, and it looks really loose. And there's another way you can do it where you don't take your pen off the paper and it looks a bit more loopy, so I can show you how that looks if I were to not take my pen off the paper. So that's another way of doing it. It's harder to control kind of what it looks like. So then at this point, if you want, you can color it in, you can paint it in, you can just color in the shapes, or you can just leave it black and white. I think that's sort of a cool look. And there you go. That's blind contour drawings. Thanks for watching.